way to refuel at the end of the day and a vacation just isn't quite yet an option? Well, how about coming home to a tidy, tranquil, and timeless bedroom retreat at the end of your day? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, bringing you these tips to create your DIY ideas, bring them into your bedroom, and create a little escape. First of all, declutter. Put away piles of clothes, books, even bills that might be littering across your bedroom. 2, make your bed. Yep, every morning. And make it beautiful with textured blankets, a few decorative pillows, something that you adore and adds an extra feel, personality to your room. 3, improve the lighting. Add a table lamp to your dresser or swap out the bulbs for a softer hue or wattage just to soften it and add that ambiance to your room. 4, freshen up the walls with a coat of paint. What wall colors evoke a calm to you? Often it's soft blues or gorgeous grays, even earthly greens. Now hop on Pinterest for some inspiration or contact us to get the latest colors that we have seen in homes lately. Then carve out a weekend and get it done. Number 5, kick out those electronics. Nothing zaps a peaceful bedroom retreat like the flashing of television, messy cords, and blinding lights. Even if you can't stand it, just clear out those gadgets and screens for good. Now don't wait for your vacation to feel relaxed and well rested. Get started on your own 5-star bedroom retreat today with these super simple and doable tips.